Asia's largest and India's only expo on the education and skilling sector, DIDAC India will be held in Bengaluru for 3 days from September 21st to 23rd. The 12th edition of DIDAC India, to be held at the Bangalore International Exhibition Centre, will showcase state-of-the-art solutions for the education and skills sectors. The expo will feature over 4,000 innovative products and services. Over 200 exhibitors from over 20 countries, including Microsoft, Amazon, Samsung, and HP, will showcase the latest cutting-edge technologies, products, and services. The expo is organized by India Didactics Association, the only industry body for the education and skills sector in India, and is supported by the Union Ministry of Education, Niti Aayog, and Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Education World Forum. The event is hosted by the Department of Higher Education of the Government of Karnataka. Karnataka Higher Education Minister Dr. Ashwath Narayan announced the expo at a press conference in Bengaluru. Karnataka is at the forefront of education in the country, and we are happy to be hosting Asia's largest expo on education and skilling. India, especially Bengaluru, is one of the innovation capitals of the world, and I am sure the international education ministers, ministerial delegations, and educationists will find this expo exciting, Dr. Ashwath added.